Friday, October 20th here. Fingers crossed, tomorrow should be our last day of harvesting soybeans. We're out our 2 East farms. Moved out here last night, took the end rows off, and got started about 12:30. They're a little wet to start with. First pass I hit 15 a few places. About the rest of that average 14.5. And in 20 acres, I'm about to that 13.75, somewhere in there. Another hour and we should be below the 13 mark. We got some of these that are going to town. We got a small bin out here. We used to always fill it, but it's just 6 loads. So not having aeration in the bin, we could get away with putting 13% beans in there, but for all the work of it and being iffy, I think we'll just haul it to town. I'm out here in the combine. Got my dad in the grain cart. He's filling the semi right now. I got a brother that's going to come out, take the 4-wheel drive and 2 wagons home. We need about 3 pairs of wagons at home to finish filling the bin. And then the truck will take everything to town. You may notice when we get closer, that's not the white T800. The farm truck had a little mishap with the transmission. Ended up dropping a gear out of one of the teeth and it fell into the PTO housing, and basically we couldn't disengage the PTO, so we got that all torn apart. Working on fixing it, but it'll take a couple months probably by the time we get it all said and done. So for the time being, my truck's on the hopper bottom. Oh well, it is what it is. Sure beats pulling wagons to town. Granted, we're only about 5 miles from town. It's been a pretty uneventful day other than the grain cart auger bearing going out breaking. We got it fixed about an hour ago. We're on the last pass here, the long rows, and then around the grove it starts getting shorter. And it's just down the hillside to finish it up, and then move right over the hill half a mile to the next piece. And that'll be the last bean field. First pass I took was 15.1 for moisture. And here we're sub 12%. Really dries out pretty quick here. Wasn't even that hot today. They got the bin at my brother's place full, so we got a bin 1 mile over. Once we fill that one up, that'll be the last bean bin. The rest goes to town. You're just going back and forth. Pretty good sunset there though. Not a lot of wind. We'll see how long the dew holds off. Need about an hour and I'll be done here. Last round of this field here. Got everyone waiting on the driveway for me. Get done with this, head over there, dump, move a mile and a half down the road to the next field. Get 2 or 3 passes off the end rows if we can get stuff set up over there. Or we can move over there while waiting for the beans to be fit. And that's a wrap on this one. 1 more bean field and we're done for the year. At least for beans. We got all the corn yet to do. Still going back and forth. You move to the back corner of the field. We got about 30 acres here. I got about 10 done already. Grain cart's got one of the 2 wagons there hooked to the 4-wheel drive. That should fill that bin right about there. Then I got the brother's coming back from town with my truck in the hopper bottom, and should be maybe a load and a half to go to town, and then that should finish off this field. It sounds like we got a milk tonight, so I don't know how much we'll get moved home for equipment. And Monday we'll work on getting everything switched over, and then we can start on corn Monday. Until next time, enjoy. God bless. So this 9870 here we've had for about 4 years. Put about 800 hours on it myself. I knew it tipped like this. I never knew it swiveled. Guess you learn something new every year.